Got this on Temu for $17. Actually, $16 to be exact. Bought this Xun'an Fire S welding helmet and it just arrived. Time for an unboxing review. Let's open it up and see what it's like. Saw it's recommended by that creator, Xun'an Pro Protection. The packaging looks like a 3M box. You'd swear I bought a 3M Speed Glass V100. Let's open it up. Wow, another layer inside. Like a nesting doll. This is a custom neck guard I made.
And shoulder protection.
Using the sharp corner on this neck piece to open packages. Pretty handy actually, just a bit heavy. Let's see what we got in here. Here's the helmet. And a couple of stickers. A few stickers. What's this? Let's check out the extras first. Oh, these are protective cover lens plates. And this, not sure what this piece is for. Class 1 welder. The clear choice. TIG, stick and MIG welding. Does this icon mean no welding rods? Does that mean no stick welding? Looks pretty cool, this sticker. For $16. It comes with, let's see, 3 large ones and 2 small ones. This is actually my first time buying a proper helmet. My old one was just a cheap $3 to $4 order shield. So I honestly don't know what the big and small plates are specifically used for. And this piece, what does this do? Can't figure out what this one is for. Let's check out the helmet itself. Oh, now I get it. Now I get it. I think this makes sense. Is this meant to absorb sweat or like make it softer on your forehead? Looks really solid. This Xun'an helmet. Looks pretty sleek, really cool. How do you adjust this thing? Is it too tight? Like this? Let me try it on real quick. Hit a little snag here. Couldn't figure out how to adjust the fit.
Oh! Push down.
I was struggling with it before. You press down to adjust the tightness. Push down and turn. There we go. Now putting it on to test it out. Let's check out the view in normal state. Can't show it well on camera. too much glare.
This is what it looks like wearing it. I think it looks pretty cool, haha. Not bad at all. The field of view is really clear. I haven't even peeled the protective film off yet. Looks a bit darker than standard view and slightly yellowish. Total weight. It says 480 grams on specs, which is about a pound. Feels decent.
Wearing it now, it doesn't feel
Particularly heavy or anything. Maybe because I've never worn a high-end one before. Honestly, for around $16, this is great for me. I was originally looking at the Techman 720S, but that one is over 3 times the price, almost 4 times as much. So after thinking it over, I got this one instead. Since welding isn't my full-time job, it's just a hobby, something I do for fun in my free time. Really solid pick.